Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I'll show you how to get from this 613 blonde to this pink using the watercolor method. Keep watching. The items you'll need for this tutorial will be a comb, gloves, shampoo, conditioner, I use silicone mix, hot boiling water, the dye, and the wig. Okay, the fun time now. Please be careful because this water is boiling hot. Add the dye. Gradually add the dye and mix in the dye. You have to mix it in. Gotta mix it with the comb. Right? I eyeball the dye. I don't have a particular measurement of the dye, but I don't put in a lot of water. Because to me, the less water, the better the dye takes. To me, that's my preference. I find the less water you use, the less dye you have to use, but you still have to be sure to put in enough water that it could cover the wig. Now that you have mixed the dye, you do a test. You do a color test to see if it's the color that you want. It wasn't bright enough, so I added more pink to the water. Yeah, you still have to be sure to mix that again. You have to mix in all the dye. By the way, this is not virgin hair, this is regular bump hair. Once it is human hair, it can be dyed. This watercolor method can be used for normal human hair, virgin hair. It could be bundles. It doesn't necessarily have to be a wig. I'm going to do a test strand again to see if I get the desired color that I want. So I got the color I wanted, so I'm going to immerse the wig into the hot water, making sure to evenly saturate the hair. Pushing it with the comb because remember the water is boiling hot. Good, so try to take out the wig because you know it's boiling hot water, so try to take it out and comb through the wig so you could get the dye all over, you know. And then I just leave the dye in the I leave the wig in the water for 5 minutes. After my 5 minutes was up, I took the wig, I rinsed it, I shampooed it, conditioned it, and put the wig to dry. Believe it or not, this whole procedure only took me 3 minutes. This is the finished result, a pink wig. I know, right? So easy. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.